Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to create Gmail account without phone number. So let's get started. So if you want to create a Gmail account without using your phone number, what you can do is just open up a browser, select any browser you like, and after selecting a browser, you have to open up your Gmail. After opening up your Gmail, now what you can do is just tap on your profile, which is on the top right corner of your screen. And after tapping on add account, now you have to create an account. So just tap on create account and then select the account that you would like to create. So if your account is for your personal use, or it is for your child, or if it's for your business, you can choose any one of these options. So after selecting the option, now you have to enter your first name. After entering your first name, now enter your last name. After entering your first name and last name, now you have to enter your month. And after entering your date of birth, now you have to select a gender. And after selecting the gender, just tap on next. After tapping on next, now you can create your Gmail address, or you can select any of the Gmail address that you can see above. So you can create a Gmail address if you would like. So after selecting a Gmail address, now you have to create a password and then confirm that password for your account. So after creating a password, now what you can do is just tap on next. After tapping on next, now you have to add a recovery email address. So you can add this email address if you would like, or you can skip this option. I would recommend you to add an email address for your recovery. So after adding an email address, just tap on next. After tapping on next, again you have to tap on next and then tap on I agree. And after tapping on I agree, here you can see you have successfully created your and after tapping on I agree, here you can see you have successfully created a Gmail account without using your phone number. And this is how to create a Gmail account without using your phone number. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.